As if I haven't done this enough. Yeah. My man is sitting on the corner, man, of the intersection to goddamn get on the interstate, bro. With his guitar. He's a silver fox, so you know he's definitely old enough to get in the club. No matter what, dude, you gotta follow what you love. You know that heart, that thing that go love-dub. You understand what it is, you just a bad scrub. Because you got them blood diamonds that's in your tub. That's where you get them rings. You a fucking scrub, you understand what I said. You trying to get that bling, but you ain't did a thing to get ahead. You ain't did a thing like that cabbage to get ahead. Cause I am better than average, cause I'm a savage. I'm a maverick on these motherfucking tracks. Go ahead, they tripping Atlas, at best. Where's the map quest? Go ahead, the GPS, yes. I'm about to kill these niggas, QRS, complex. And that's when it flatline, that is horizontal. Go ahead and show them, dude, Perry O'Donnell. I mean, that nigga spitting wisdom. He has been chosen behind these bars like he's fresh out of prison. Or maybe food for thought, triangular prism. Keep up with me, dude, this is another ism. For the capital, for the national. You understand what it is, they call him savage, bro. That's what they used to call him, now he's a chief Navajo. Go ahead, dude, fuck around, trabajo. To the bajo, that mean they're working Espanol, though. You don't understand, dude. Yeah, YOLO, trying to get my dough, bro. Never make that shit low. Goddamn, I have some goals and my hope is not low. Go ahead, keep up, it ain't a solo, but I am the number one, looking out for number one like I'm tyrannical. Go ahead, they talk about they got a long arm, long reach like that bank, that's the arm that you gon' teach. But you kinda coming off tyrannical in a whole nother way, just like your sex. Ooh, don't take them that away. As a Woody, get little, yeah, here's a riddle. Go ahead, take in the bed, but that's your widow, cause your dick is little, but the diction like the dick, son, the musical chord, so where the fuck is the extension? Yeah, to what extent, dude, until you hit them with the precinct? Go ahead, dude, what you trying to say? They hoping that I sink like the kitchen, what they throwing at me? Just stop it. Yeah, like Ye said, even the superficial be super official. Yeah, girl, I can change your world with just one change of the initial. Yeah. Come on, girl. These niggas talking about they whip them in the shape like their memory is gone or they need a fucking pistol. You pissed still? Yeah, like a urinal. I'm on the edge like a motherfucking windowsill, and I'm good with my tongue like an envelope deal. Go ahead like the fallopian. I got a folder up, dude. Yeah, that's what we do. Running like you goddamn a tablecloth, cause that's a runner like it's goddamn baseball. So are you soft or are you hard? Are you getting on or are you getting off? They pressing all the right buttons like radio station, and at the station they just be like, turn this nigga off. Man, you such a turn off. What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm an epidemic like it's motherfucking whooping cough. Oh God, I gotta get to the store. I might need to say pause, figure out where I need to go. Oh, here we go. I'm just trying to figure out where I need to go. I done lost my sense of location. I'm out of my goddamn place like a fucking dislocation. And that's no diss as I piss on your fucking occasion, whatever recreation. This is just for fun. It's going down like a child slide playground. I don't play around. Hey! But I really do gotta find directions where I need to go, nigga, so, and I'm out.